Ah, we have gembili. This is the purple gembili. I believe this very good gembili, or in Javanese language, this is uwi. There is family of uwi. This is root, basically root or polo pendem. But this is type of gembili, and the color is really beautiful, really beautiful. I show you how to cook gembili, or in English we call yummy. I don't know the yummy is English or Indian language. So I hope my son he like the gembili, because my son never taste gembili before. I will make video the first impression or the first reaction when my son eat gembili. Okay, we start the video how to open the gembili. Okay, and you will see how the color, the beautiful of the color of gembili is. See, this is the color, purple. Under the skin there is a purple color. See? Nowadays, even in the village, in the part in Indonesia, not many people have the gembili or uwi. They are so busy with other things. Nature, this is one of the nature food. If your main food like rice expensive, this can help you basically. See, color beautiful, right? Beautiful yet delicious. So we'll cut into two. So when you steam gembili, then after this you will steam it. So we'll make into three, then we will steam it. Okay. We are going to steam it. We will steam for 20 minutes. You can see here, there is gembili with the purple color, and there is gembili with the white color. But you check on the outer skin, we remove only the thin layer. There's the purple color, like beet. So this is really beautiful. And I was amazed. I was surprised that I found that gembili is one of my favorite food when I was a kid, and now I'm going to have it. You will steam it for 20 minutes. Yeah, inshallah. So you have like this small flame, enough for 20 minutes. 20 minutes steaming. Then we'll check with the spoon when the gembili got soft, then it is ready to eat. Okay. Okay, now it had been 20 minutes. Yeah, we'll check. See, with the small fox, we try like this. It has been cooked. We stop the cooking. Okay. Then we will move to the. How are you going to enjoy this uwi? Some people is directly eat this uwi directly to the mouth raw. Okay. Like that directly. Some people they will use the shredded coconut here. Shredded coconut, but now I don't have shredded coconut. This is only simulation. Okay, you can imagine here there is shredded coconut mixed with anything you want, salt or chocolate or the what's that, cheese, and you do like this and you eat. That's also beautiful and delicious. See, purple, beautiful color and delicious taste. See you next review about nature food.